To promote sustainable technology in Vietnam, the Central Vietnam Cleaner Production and Dassault organization from France recently held a seminar to introduce Leapfrog project in Hanoi. The event was part of the EU-based Sustainable Product Innovation Project, or SPIN, that support these businesses in Vietnam, Laos and Cambodia improve competitiveness and profitability. VNCPC reporter recently had a conversation with representative of Dassault organization on expectation as well as the plan to implement the project in the future in Vietnam.
So first of all, thank you very much, Mr. Aurelien, for joining our program today. So Dassault Systems, in cooperation with VNCPC, held this workshop. So what do you expect from the conference in this time when it is held in Vietnam?
Yeah, so we are launching the project, and what we did this week is that we launched the project with a full week workshop, including a use case on a sustainably redesigned product. So starting from there is just the beginning. We will continue, of course, working with SPIN on more products and more companies that we will be working with to extend the partnership. Also, there is another office of SPIN in Ho Chi Minh City, and we have projects also to have there. So it will not be not only in Hanoi but also in Ho Chi Minh City.
SPIN projects at first sounds like an environmental project in Vietnam. So is there any differences in this project?
What SPIN is about is an initiative from the VNCPC, Delft University and the UNEP to foster sustainable development practices for the design of products and the production of products. So what they do is that they go in 500 companies over Vietnam, Cambodia and Laos to share sustainable best practices and toolkits to them so that they can design or redesign products more sustainably. Now, our contribution into that is that we will accelerate what they are doing thanks to the software, because with the software, not only you can have a better quality and better accuracy, but you can do the things more quickly.
So from your opinion, what do you think about the attention of Vietnam's enterprises when they try to design the products that are sustainable to the environment?
Yeah, this is exactly what SPIN is about, is the way they make them understand that if they are able to produce more sustainable products, well, potentially there is a market that is looking for the more sustainable products, and therefore they can sell at a higher price. And especially not only for the local market, but for European market, products such as furniture manufactured in Vietnam, when they are shipped in Europe, if they can be labeled as sustainable, they can be sold at a higher price. So this is how SPIN is explaining to the local companies how they can benefit from that. And of course, there's also all the environmental and social impacts that they are explaining, such as using less energy for the production, using less material, generate less waste when they are doing production, and also in turn doing less harm to the health of people in the factories or working on the manufacturing the product.
SPIN project has been carried out in Vietnam, Laos and Cambodia. So what is the role of this project in the sustainable economic development of the three countries, and especially in Vietnam?
So the world is about the fact that sustainability is a three-pillar thing between the environment, the social aspect and economic aspect. So what SPIN is bringing here is that they will, as I explained before, they will have the company produce more sustainable products which they can sell at a higher price. So there is a benefit from an economic perspective for the development of those countries and the companies of those countries. But at the same time, they ensure that the products will do less harm to the environment and less harm to the people. And when you combine the three, social, environmental and economic, this is when you achieve true sustainable development.
And once again, thank you very much, Mr. Aurelien, for joining our program. And we wish you all the best in your project in Vietnam.
Thank you very much.
Vietnam Journal. It's not just news, it's life in Vietnam.